Hi, I'm Maxi. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. Today we are gonna make a savory protein pancake with chives, or spring onions, or green onions, or scallions. Anyway, it's gonna be delicious. It's inspired by an all-time classic breakfast item in China called 葱油饼. I have reinvented the recipe into a pancake. It's high in protein and without any oil or sugar. So, if you are tired of just drinking your protein powder, try make this. Now, let's get started. First, let's mix the batter base. The key ingredient is this, unflavored whey protein powder. We put in 20 grams. Then, 15 grams of almond flour. This amount is the healthy nutty fat you need in a day. It actually helps you burn fat, and it makes the pancake taste better. But if you are allergic to nuts, you can replace it with normal wheat flour. The pancake will still taste good. Okay, then, 35 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. These 4 ingredients combined are my batter base for all protein pancakes. And then, for this one specifically, we add 1/8 teaspoon of salt and half a gram of equal sweetener, a little sweetness to amplify the salt. This is an aspartame-based sweetener, no calories. I use it to replace sugar. Okay, that's all the ingredients of the base. Now, we mix them thoroughly. When they are well mixed, set it aside. Now we prepare the chives. You can use chives, spring onions, green onions, or scallions. I'm using chives here because it's more common here in my part of China. When I was in London, I used the spring onions. Anyway, we need this much of them. They are usually around 25 grams, and we chop them. If you are using spring onions or the others, you don't need to chop them so finely like this. Chopping them into pieces is enough. Now, my chives are chopped, we season it. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And that's it. Now mix them. Extremely simple seasoning, but really delicious. No wonder it has been a classic. Now the chives are done, we can finally make the batter. We need 85 milliliters of whole milk, then 5 milliliters of lemon juice to balance its flavor. So in total we have 90 milliliters of liquid. Mix the liquid with the powders, then stir. After it's nicely mixed, put in a pinch of chives. Stir them in. And this is our batter. Now, let's cook it. Pour it onto a plate, then scatter the rest of the chives on top. Now it's ready for the microwave. Put a pot holder under it. This will make it easy to get them out of the microwave. Now, microwave it at max power for 4 minutes in a normal 900 watts microwave, or for 5 minutes if your microwave is a weaker 700 watts one. 4 minutes later, the pancake is thoroughly cooked. You can already eat it like this, but it's not browned because microwave doesn't brown things. So, to make it perfect, I would use an air fryer to brown it real quick. To transfer the pancake, first shuffle the edge all around. Then you can easily shuffle the whole thing up. Put it into the air fryer and heat it at 200 degrees Celsius or around 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes later, the final product is here. Perfectly browned and extremely fragrant. Each one of these has around 357 kcal of calories, 27 grams of protein, 34.5 grams of carbs, 12.5 grams of fat, and 622 milligrams of sodium. Try this, and you'll know how amazing the simple combination of chives and salt can be, or spring onions and salt, or green onions and salt, or scallions and salt. Anyway, it will be amazing. And that's the recipe of today. I have put all the statistics of the recipe down below in the description. And if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also welcome to follow me on Instagram. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And happy cooking. Take care.